Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to play animation montages in C++. So for this game I have implemented a punch and a kick. So both are playing through animation montages using C++. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, let's see how to do that. And this episode is by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, so this is what we have at the moment, and I have already imported these kicks. Let me open it and show you. This kick and punch animations into the project. So I think I have already set up montages for the animation blueprint. Let's just quickly check. So yeah, don't worry, even if I am using blueprints for the animation part, we are using C++ for everything else. So yeah, we have. Okay, so now let's see how to play an animation montage for the kick and punch in C++ to play to do a kick and a punch. So for now all these characters can do is move back and forth. That's all. No kicks or anything. Right. Oh, let's open the character class, C++ class. Should open when I click here in rider. Yeah, rider is opening. Hope we wouldn't have any problems this time, because always when I open rider with C++ I have always something wrong. Maybe a compilation error or something that doesn't work at first try. Let's hope no problem would be here this time. Right, is still opening. Okay, so the first thing is I need to define an input for the punch. Let's start with the punch. Let's go to project settings, and under input and action let's add punch. I'll use the key. What should I use? H. Let's use the key H. And so now how did we bind actions? Let's go to the character. Here we did the bind action like this. So for punch it we need a function. So let's define a function like this: void punch. Void, let's define a kick also. We will need that later after the punch is implemented. Generate implementation. Right, punch is implemented here in the CPP character. So here now we need a way to play animation montage. Right, before that I need a reference to a montage. So how do we get that? Right, let's go to the header file, and here we need to define a new variable. Let's define a new property. How do we do it? Visible anywhere, print, read, write. Category animations. So this should be in the type UAnimMontage. Let's call it montage. No, punch. Also we need another for kicks as well. First let's compile this and build this and see if this variable appears in the build in the editor, and then we can create and assign a montage. Sorry, this is a pointer. Okay, forgot that. I'm getting used to C++, and if you notice something that I am doing wrong or that I am using a wrong practice or anything, feel free to comment below. That would be very helpful for me and everyone who's watching these videos. So please don't hesitate to comment if I'm doing anything wrong. And it seems like it's taking forever to build. Why is that? Let's cancel. What else we can do? Let's do a clean. I don't know if that makes any difference, and let's do a rebuild to see if that works. Hope it wouldn't make any additional problems. See, this is what I'm telling. Every time I start the C++ project, there is something wrong. It doesn't work smoothly. Have to spend on these things, doing these things more than thinking about the code. Okay. Rebuild succeeded. Right. I heard the tick tick sound, so that means this has hot reloaded. Animation, we don't have anything here. Let's go to the blueprint. Alright, here we have punch. Cool. But I need this to be editable here. So I think this is what I should use, editable anywhere. Now let's do a build. Hopefully it wouldn't take as long as it was before. Yeah, awesome. Right, now I can assign a punch, but we don't have a punch montage yet. So let's go here for punching. We have one punch and another punch. Okay, let's create a montage from this punching one and assign it here. Right, now let's go back to the code and let's bind action. Punch in action, like just like this. Player input component bind action name. Action name is punch. I can't see. Key event I pressed, and object this. Oh, actually we don't need this key event part. I pressed, object this, and a CPP character punch. Alright. Oh, right, now we have bound the event punch event to this punch function. So here, if we need to check, we have a valid reference, valid animation montage object for punching. So the name is punch, but I think, and the function name is also punch. So let's do it like this: m punch. M stands for montage, so we don't have any confusion. Also, it looks clean. Right, now m punch. Right, so like this we can check if we have a valid punch, valid animation montage assigned to this. Right, so how do we play montage? Play any montage, and we need to assign punch. Can I just punch? Do I have to add anything else? Play rate 1, start section name, none. Okay, is that all? Let's try and build. So just in case you don't know this, in play rate you don't have to type this. Okay, this is only shown by rider as a hint to like what this number is. So if you are looking at my code and typing, don't type this in play rate. Right, now, oh, is this reset? So if I rebuild, is that going to reset always? I hope not. Alright, Now let's see. Okay, punching works. Cool. Alright. Now, just like this, let's implement the kicks too. Right now, do I have to add this part always when I add a variable? Oh, maybe we can do this. Let's add one here and add another one. Does this give any errors? Let's see. Oh, I think so, because we have this mark here. Yeah. What if I add another UAnimMontage kick like this? Does that inherit these properties? Let's see. No, it's not shown here. So how do we group it? Need to Google that. Well, I couldn't find it. So for now, let's duplicate the same thing, even though it is ugly. It looks ugly, right? We have to build this. Okay, just like here. Kick kick. Okay, let's build. Oh, did I implement input for the kick? I don't remember. Let's check quickly. No. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry again. Oh, here I have to press kick. Keyboard, let's assign J. Alright, copy the same thing, kick, here, kick. Let's build. Did I assign a variable for the kick? Oh, it's not appearing here yet. Why is that? It succeeded. Do I have to open it again? Why it's only the punch? Shall I do a rebuild? Oh, something is wrong. What's wrong? Let's close this. And try to open Rider again. Let's do a build. Okay, let's restart the project to see if we can fix this. Alright, let's rebuild. Right, now we have that. Okay, so I guess rebuild completed. Somehow, oh, not punching, we need the kick. Which one? Okay, let's use this. Create UAnimMontage, MMA kick. Alright, let's play the game. Right, kicks working, punches working. Alright, so I guess that's enough for today. So next time we can work on like the stuff like notifiers, sounds, and how to actually hit the other character, how to make them work with C++. Alright, so let's stop this episode right here. Okay, so as always, project files will be available for the download through Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.